Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this gorgeous hairstyle, please stay tuned. After the intro, we'll go into the details. Okay, so welcome back. This is me just doing a bit of length check, and I parted my hair into the sections I wanted. You guys, my hair is getting thicker, it's getting fuller, it's getting darker, it's getting all shades of healthy. This was when I first chopped my hair, like the dye off. You see how scanty it was, and now you see it's giving thickness, it's giving volume. That's what we love to see in this channel. If you haven't watched my natural hair videos, please go and watch it. I will link something up there. And now I'm just conditioning my hair, and I'm still parting it to get the sections I want to work on. This thing was very stressful. At least I spent 10 minutes trying to part this, and just try to detangle. Afterwards, just pack them aside so we can work in sections. So to first start off, I'm going to plait that one. After combing it, I'm going to plait it aside just so it doesn't disturb me when I go ahead to do my braids. So before everything goes down, I want to do the braids at the back. I'm not really going to go into details concerning knotless braids because you guys have seen me do knotless braids countless of times on this channel. If you haven't, go and watch my hair tutorial videos. I'm going to link a bit something up there in the upper right corner, so just check that out. And I'll just show you just one braid so you basically get the idea if you don't want to go to that video. So first of all, cut the volume you want. Afterwards, obviously detangle your hair. I'm using a small toothpick comb because my hair is all over the place, and I just go ahead to plait it twice. 1, 2, and afterwards I fill it in. After filling, I plait a part of the braid, and then I add the other part to it. I plait it again and add another one. Afterwards, I plait one half, and then I plait the other half. That's just basically how it goes down until I'm done with the volume and the length I want. I'm not going to stop filling in until I get the volume and the length I want. That's basically it. So you can watch for more understanding. And I always tell you guys, if you don't understand my voiceovers, please go ahead to just watch it and try to understand what I'm doing. And yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm too kind to not leave you with another knotless braid, so this one is more up close. And don't forget to detangle your hair starting from the ends, then you work your way to the roots, just so you don't get plenty breakage. Don't forget, divide your hair into 3. Work one weave in, the second weave in, then you work with one half of the braid, weave once, add the second half, weave once again, then you add another attachment, then you weave one half and you weave another half, basically until you are done with the volume and the length you want. I'm trying to be slower, and I'm trying to explain this more in depth as I can go, but if you don't understand, like I always say, make sure you watch closely. And any question you have, always try to drop it in the comments, because I'm too free not to look at your comment and reply to it. Unless I just want to be bitchy that day, then I won't reply your comment. But apart from that, I'm too free not to reply your comments. So always make sure you leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you, okay? Thanks.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on
how long the braids are.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time.
Welcome to the crisscross section of this DIY. I'm pretty sure that's why most of you even came here. So to start off, I just basically sectioned my hair into 6, 3 at the left, 3 at the right side, and I just twist that. And once I'm done sectioning the hair, we'll meet in the next voiceover. Peace.
Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around.
Okay, so we're done sectioning, and I'll just go ahead to detangle this half, and I will condition it obviously because I'm putting rubber, so I need a bit of sleep so the rubber won't tangle with my hair. After I'm done, I'll just comb again. I like to overdo things, and just cut that section into two equal halves, vertically 2. And once that is done, I'll cut each of those vertical sections into 3 boxes, and I'll go ahead to tie them with rubber bands. Just watch to understand this section. Basically, once you just detangle each half, you divide those ones into 3, cut them into small boxes. Anyway, don't forget to use your shine and jam, you know. So yeah, just watch to understand. I talk too much.
Promise all these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here.
Try to replace.
So this is me just using the black rubber band to tie that box in place. You can use any color of rubber band you want. I'm just too basic sometimes with my hairstyle when I'm meant to be loud. You can go ahead to actually cut those whole vertical lines before going to the next vertical line. Sometimes I say I actually don't have sense. So just instead of doing the mess I'm doing, because this was my first attempt, so I was just making a lot of mistakes up and down the place. Yeah, don't forget to tie with your rubber band and make sure you hold it. Don't tie too tight too, so you won't put tension on that part of your hair and cause breakage. Okay, so once I'm done having 3 boxes in each vertical line, I just go ahead to roll that and attach it to the next opposite line, just as if you are making an X, and just tie that down with another rubber band. Don't forget, don't make your hair too tight. You don't want to have headache, because this hairstyle can be painful if you hate yourself. And afterwards, I go to the other one in front, I roll it again, put it to the opposite one, tie that one, and basically just repeat the same move over and over. And don't forget to detangle your hair as you go, so you can roll the former one to the new one. Don't forget to detangle your hair as you go. Okay, so that's just basically it for the crisscross. Afterwards, you go ahead to braid the ends, and that is all. You have your braids. basically just repeat the same process for the second, third, fifth, fourth, and the rest of the crisscross. So
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.